All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we got today is ADNOOM car carrier bag, and this is going to go right on top of any of your vehicles. It was sent to us by our friend Lena. Same one that sent us the pressure washers, the grabbers, the tent. Make sure to check those videos out. I'll leave some links at the end. This is a 21 cubic foot rooftop bag, and comes with an anti-slip mat. These are kind of like what you'd put in your dining room drawers and stuff for your silverware and everything, so it doesn't slide all around when you put your holder in there. And let's get the bag out itself. Comes with 4 door hooks. Make it nice and secure. You got your directions, your instruction manual here, shows you how to set everything up. And even comes with a nice carrying bag. So when you're not using it, you can go ahead and put it in here and then throw it in the trunk of your car. And this is a soft top roof carrier. And this is waterproof. All right. So this thing is big. And we need it with 4 kids. Got your Velcro. So here's the bag. Definitely lots of straps. That way it's secure, won't come off. And that anti-slip mat that it comes with will definitely help keep it from moving around. And you can see that's the zipper line, goes all the way around, and then it Velcros down, so that way it's waterproof. And it's pretty lightweight too, so you don't have any trouble trying to, put it up on top of your vehicle and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and get it out to our car and get it up on top. All right, so the first thing we want to do is lay out our slip resistant mat. All right, so we got our mat set up here. Let's go ahead and get the bag up here. All right, so we have our zipper facing the rear of the vehicle here. We're gonna go ahead and unzip it. All right, now that we got it unzipped, we can go ahead and fill it up with all of our stuff. All right, we'll get a couple suitcases in here and some other stuff, get it all packed up, and then we'll get it all strapped in and down. We could easily fit another suitcase in between there, and we still have all the sides to put stuff. So definitely lots of storage. Let's throw some pillows in here to fill it out. Yeah, you know what? We'll probably put 4 suitcases in here if we line them this way. And you still have rooms on the side. So there's definitely a lot of storage with this. It's 21 cubic feet, so lots of room, and it can come up even higher. So, all right, now that we got it filled, let's go ahead and strap it down to the vehicle. I also want to point out that with these zippers, there's actually enough room. You could run a small lock through there too, so that way when it's strapped down to your vehicle, people can't just get into it and open it up. So yeah, that's a good feature. Definitely oversized zippers, that way you can lock it up, make it secure. So you're just going to move your weather stripping back a little bit and get these clips in there. just like that. And now we're gonna run this. We're gonna undo the clip here. And we're gonna run it through here. And we're gonna clip it back up into here. We'll get all 4 of these set, and then we'll go back and readjust these straps. And there's Velcro on here too to attach them, so your straps aren't flapping around. All right, so we have them all strapped down. Now we can go ahead and tighten them up. And you have a strap on each side on the bottom here. You can run it through your rails and then right up to the top here to secure it down even more. There we go. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Got this one right here. Bring it through. And then there we go. And then tighten it up. And when securing all your straps, all this loose stuff, if you roll this like this, then you can go ahead and secure it just like that. So that way there's nothing hanging, nothing loose and flapping. So now that everything's all hooked up, let's go ahead and give it the water test. Look at that. It's got a pool of water up on top. All right, let's unbuckle it. See all the water up there too. So we definitely soaked this good. You can see the water still standing on there. All right, other than what little bit of water I just put in by trying to shake that off, this thing stayed completely dry. All right. All right, so as you can see, lots of space, room to store your suitcases, other stuff. Get hit with a bunch of rain and your stuff will stay dry. And also you can get like a little lock to go through the 2 zippers there. I think that'd be a great idea, so no one can just take your stuff out of there. And easy to install, has the anti-slip mat. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description. And once again, I hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys. Yeah, waterproof.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.